Hey guys, Dylan here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Echo Dot GoGen. So first, so you can add a link to anyone, so that on your voice. Amazon's not really copyright. I'll censor that out on my computer. The Amazon logos and stuff, right? Anyways, inside the box, we've got power cords, instruction manuals, of course, and here's our Echo Dot GoGen. There it is. Sorry, I got peanut butter all over it. Okay. Let's plug it in. After unplug your phone. Hey, unplug your phone. Okay. I'll plug it in the opposite way. Okay, there we go. I'm still recording. Okay. I have to put it in. I'll put the cord in that one. All it is just tingling up. Oh yeah, so me. There we go. Got it. Let it boot. It takes a minute. I already set this up and everything. Alexa, Simon says hi.
Hi.
Alexa, Simon says bye guys, and I'll see you all next time.
Bye guys, now see you all next time.